Hi everyone, welcome to Local Benchmarks. This video will help you to find the 3 best HVAC services in Oceanside, California. Please subscribe the channel and support us. Veterans Heating and Air Conditioning. Major League Comfort Systems Heating and Air. Thompson Plumbing, Heating Cooling Services. Please see the video description to know more details. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.